Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to hide followers on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and enter your avatar icon at the top right, and from there just search for the apps, and then just look for the Facebook. And if you didn't find it, just go ahead to the apps and just type Facebook, right? And just double check if the Facebook needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and turn it up, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just see the home feed of the Facebook, click on the menu at the below right corner, click on onto the settings gear at the top right, move along to the next step, and you're gonna find followers and public content. So click on the followers and public content, and here, who can follow me. If I selected public, that indicates that anyone can follow me and I'm a public figure, apparently, right? But if you can just select friends, basically, you're gonna be able to limit the following or narrow it down to only friends. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.